It's like a war zone in here, man.
The youngest member of the team. Woo!
Leasing office today.
I love it.
Welcome in. All right, Sunday morning, April 3rd, and we're super excited. It is sunny here in Dallas. Finally, the spring is here, and it feels a great weather. And we got 2 kids here, Dad and I. We are, instead of going to the park or going to church, we're going to our property. By being involved, it actually turned us into a better operators, right? Better asset managers, to be able to understand all the way from the maintenance guy to doing work orders, all the way from the leasing manager and the leasing and the tenants and the prospectus, from the marketing, the property, everything. When we bought Enclave, we put it in the budget to renovate the leasing office, and we finally did it.
When Minnie comes in on Monday, we told her that one of the Mondays when you walk into the office, all of a sudden it's going to be transformed. So she knows, and every Monday she walks in, she's like, "Oh, is it this Monday? Is it this Monday?"
Yeah, it's a surprise. She doesn't know.
Surprise, so we're going to all hide behind, and then have her just capture her reaction when she walks in.
Yesterday, Saturday, we had the crew in there coming in and painting the walls and getting everything ready, and now it's going to be furniture assembling day. Instead of hiring a company, Dale and I designed the layout. We picked up the furniture online. It looked really, really nice. So we're going to do this team activity here for all the Empire team, and we want pass the same message to our team members.
To have a real sense of pride, like we're not going to do all our leasing offices ourselves, but this is the first one. Make it a great team building activity. So roll up your sleeves. If you've ever assembled any IKEA furniture in college, this is your chance to shine.
But anyway, stick around. It's going to be a fun day today. Let's go. Team activity here at Enclave. As I was saying, this is going super well. I'm super happy. We have Green Empire in here, we have Empire Construction, and we have our acquisition team, our marketing team. Everybody's here. It's super awesome. It's going great. So I have a deadline. I want to see if we can finish before 1 o'clock. I hope so. Let's go. It's super interesting to see like the growth of this property, man. Every time I come in here, if you look at one of our previous videos, we talk a lot about when we came here, a lot of things that we wanted to do, a lot of things that we were happy with the property, because I'm sorry, but I do take it personal, okay? I do take it personal. And I want to see the property like clean. I want to see the property presentable. I want to be able to walk here and feel peace, a good vibe. And now, after 1 year, I definitely start seeing that. Leasing office today. Just got here today. Today's the day. Minnie's gonna get in the office. Let's see her reaction. Hope she likes it. She's a mad woman. So either she's gonna like it or she's gonna hate it. I think she's gonna like it. Let's go see. Do you like it?
Oh my God, this is so different. I love it. I love it.
Welcome in. Woo!
I just love it. Thank you.
And Delia, what we're doing, being hands-on, what does this reflect on the property and to the investors and everything?
I mean, for us, we literally like live, eat, breathe our business, but it results in a better quality to the employees. They know that we care. The staff knows that we're here for them. We're here to support them, and it reflects in how the employees feel. Results in the residents, and also to have the investors have that sense, because they're not on the properties every day, but to know that we are, and we're their day-to-day face, and we're taking care of their investment.
And this for us, it matters, right? Do we need to be that kind of investors? No, we could just put it on the hands of a good property manager, and they take care of all those things for you, right? Obviously, for a fee, they charge you. If they're gonna do your leasing office, they charge not just the price of everything, designers, plus a 15% to manage that contract or that project. 15 to 20% depends. But we really enjoy this part of it, to inspire, motivate our staff and our team. It just is really cool. And what's for you, investor? For you, investor, you just make money while you sleep.
and go along for the ride, literally.
Right, because look, those we bought Enclave for $15 million, and short after it's over 20 in a period of over 1 year. It's incredible. And because, obviously the real estate market is going crazy, but also because we were able to cut expenses and increase NOI. That's the very, very basic 101 that how we, evaluate those properties.